What's up, YouTube? We are here at the Cherry Grove Pier right now. It's pretty cold, early January here, so Happy New Year. Just out here on this cold morning to try to get a little update on the Cherry Grove Pier. One of the first videos I did a long time ago was the damage from Hurricane Ian, and since then, as you can see, the pier there is back operational and been open for several months in 2024. I probably spring, maybe. I forget exactly when it reopened, but fully restored and back better than ever. And so was really just wanting to get the drone out and fly around a little bit there and get some updated views and pictures of it, and try to see the then and now, I guess you would say, from the hurricane damage to today, 2025, which sounds crazy. So let's get this thing fired up, and hopefully my hands won't freeze off. It's pretty chilly this morning, so we'll get her up and take off. Okay, that's it. That's it from the Cherry Grove Pier. Hope that you enjoyed that. Pier's in great shape. It's just a little cold right now, not a lot of people out on it, but pier looks great, so definitely come back out and check it out and do a little fishing when it warms up. But thanks again for watching, and catch you next time.